who said कि हमारे चहीते सितारों की जिंदगी में सिर्फ और सिर्फ सक्सेस रही है। हर सितारा एक सक्सेसफुल सितारा बनने से पहले बहुत से स्ट्रगलिंग पीरियड एंड फेज से निकला है। सेम केस रहा है हमारी इस किरदार ऑफ कुंडली भाग्य की लाइफ में, जिन्होंने अपने एक्टिंग जर्नी को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बहुत सारी स्ट्रगल और बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स फेस करे हैं। Kundli Bhagya is one of the popular shows on the small screen. The daily soap is a spin-off of Zee TV's hit series Kumkum Bhagya. Both the shows have been extremely hit among the viewers, all thanks to the amazing storyline and the stellar cast. Kundli Bhagya has Karan and Preeta की जोड़ी जिसको हम सभी ने बहुत पसंद किया है, यानी कि धीरज धूपर और श्रद्धा आर्य की अमेजिंग केमिस्ट्री जो हमें डेली देखने को मिलती है। लेकिन एक और हमारी स्टनिंग दीवा है कुंडली भाग्य में जो हमको बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेन करती है बाय हर एक्टिंग स्किल्स। नॉट ओनली दैट, शी इंडीड इज अ फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट. This particular actress loves keeping herself toned and in shape, and let me tell you this thing that she's indeed blessed with a super sexy hot body. We all know about the popular diva Twinkle Vashisht, who plays the role of Kritika Luthra in the show. The actress is quite popular amongst her fans and everyone is loving her for her amazing performance. She enjoys a great army of fans who have always supported her throughout her journey. Twinkle is a multi-talented star and has done many things before she finally became an actress. But did you know that Twinkle Vashisht aka Kritika Luthra has been an air hostess before she became an actress? Yes, you heard that thing right. Twinkle Vashisht was an air hostess in Indigo Airlines. Twinkle recently shared a small Instagram story where she showed how her parents have still kept a uniform as a memory. लगता है कि एक्ट्रेस अपने फ्लाइंग डेज को बहुत ज्यादा मिस कर रही है because obviously flying indeed gave her wings to go anywhere and everywhere she wanted to. She was recollecting her flying days and she even shared few exclusive pictures with us. She's a Gujarati actor who's quite known for her movie Tu To Gayo, which released in 2016. The actress was a contestant in UTV Binda's Big Switch 3 and has also won many beauty pageants and was named as Miss Ahmedabad in 2007. Seems like Twinkle has a lot many feathers on her hat. Currently Twinkle has been acing her character as Kritika Luthra in Kundli Bhagya, but we are pretty sure that very soon the actor is going to be seen in much bigger projects or maybe in something very different from what she has already played. You stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates for the Tele world, and do tell us in the comment sections below if you knew about this particular actor from Kundli Bhagya aka Kritika Luthra's past profession. Until then, stay safe and be home. Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.